Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you exactly how you can then connect your domain to your HighLevel account or the sub account you want to use. You might have, for example, a new landing page that you want a new domain on, or whatever it may be. You're completely new, you just want a new brand. You would just go ahead and you would go and check this out. I'm not going to use this, so just imagine I went to check this out. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use another domain that I bought but I've not used yet. So let me take a look at those and show you how it then works on the HighLevel side. Okay, so we've got the domain Echo Setter University. So we're going to just give that a copy, go to domains and connect the domain. Now all you want to do is just click funnel, input domain, and then hit connect. And it recommends this to give that a tick. Now there's a high chance that I'll have to manually connect some of this stuff, but let's give it a go. It's going to ask me for my GoDaddy account. Most likely. There you go. Always happens. So there's multiple A records. So you can see here you've got the record A, which is this one. You got your C name, which is this one. Now you can just click this and troubleshoot the issue, but I will just show you exactly where that comes from. So if we go in here and go into the DNS settings, you will see a bunch of records, okay? And you will see one of these records here. There's a few of them actually. Now all these C names are going to be causing the issue. This one, and then your A name. So there's multiple A records found. So let's check the A records. There's an A here, and that's the only A. You can just open this up just to check. If you scroll down, there's only one A, right? Now what's annoying is every time you delete one of these things, it will send you an email verification. So go ahead and delete this, and that is successfully deleted. Now we then want to add a record, okay? So we're going to add a record. We're going to click A. And you literally, it's kind of easy to do this, but just show you. Click that, go in here, and save it. Now sometimes there is a propagation time where even when you see it could take up to 48 hours. So there is a high likelihood when I try and reconnect this stuff that it won't work because it's not propagated. So once you do everything correctly, you just want to make sure you go ahead and check that. This one's not added either, so your C name, this one, and save the C name. Oh, yeah, so this one needs to be deleted. So there's a www.echosetter.com, so just delete this one. So let's just cancel that for a second. Go in here, delete this one. I missed that. Now we can go back to our C name, everything, save that. Now, there's a high chance that when I now try it again, it's probably not going to work. We'll see how quickly it propagates, but you'll now see the A name, the C name in here. So now I've added that in myself, I can just go ahead and connect it or try to connect it again. And again, there's a high chance that it might not read it. So when I verify it might not work, but let's check it. Drum roll, drum roll. Okay, so it is now connected. Great. Now actually I don't have a funnel for this one, to be honest. But I could just, make a random funnel for now. But yeah, basically it's not connected because I haven't connected it. So those are the few things I just did there. I went in, I bought a domain. You then go into the domain of GoDaddy or whatever you have, open up those DNS settings. If it doesn't allow automatic connection, remove the sort of duplicate of the specific record that you need to replace. Put the new ones in, verify it in your HighLevel. Sometimes it can take a while to load, and if it doesn't load or kind of just sits on the loading screen, just refresh and go back to your domain settings and just kind of go around that cycle. And then what I'll do, just for the sake of it, is I can go to sites, funnels, and just for now I'm going to create a new funnel because I can probably make a funnel for the actual university itself. And what we'll go ahead and do is connect that domain up. So let that load because HighLevel can be slow. And here we see, please select a domain. So go here, it's going to load the domains, eventually. Okay, so now we can see in the Echo Setter University, not input funnel yet, but we can just go ahead in this section once it loads, because GHL loves to lag all the time. You're going to see a connect domain link, and I'll show you what that looks like in a second once it loads. So now you can see here, we just have to click domain, connect domain, and it's going to load up the domains we have. So what was the domain? The domain was Echo Setter University. Let's set that up. Authorize that. The connector HQ is HighLevel. And there we have it. It is now connected to the lead connected domain. And once that's authorized, it will then be in the Echo Setter University funnel. Even though the funnel's not actually built out, it's connected itself. So I'll just show you the final result there. So you can see here, I now have a list, and I can just scroll down and find of all the funnels we have. Where's the Echo Setter University funnel? Oh, it's literally at the top. So you click that, proceed to finish, and that will be the way that you connect your funnel with your domain from your domain provider, which I have been using GoDaddy. Again, I would recommend that, but the other one's Namecheap. Either way, the process is kind of the same. Just got to change your DNS settings sometimes, but a lot of the times it might even happen completely automatically. And now we can see right here that it's all set. So the funnel is ready to go, and that is your ability to connect your domain, as I said before. But just so you can see, you'll see it is all set. There's a tick mark right there. If it wasn't, you would have actions to take care of. So yeah, that's how you do it. Take care.